Hello students, today we are going to solve fourth numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as the channel width is to be contracted, the minimum width to which the channel can be contracted without affecting the upstream flow condition is. Now we have to solve this question. If the channel is contracted, the depth of flow at this location decreases. Thus, width of the channel can be decreased till the specific energy becomes minimum. Now, if the channel is contracted further, the depth of flow starts decreasing. Therefore, y plus q square upon 2ga square will be equals to E minimum. On putting the value of y as 1.6, q as 16 whole square upon 2 into 9.81 into 9.6 whole square will be equals to 3 by 2 into yc. Now 1.74 will be equals to 3 by 2 into q square upon b square upon g to the power 1 by 3. Now after solving this, we will have 1.74 equals to 3 by 2 into 16 square upon 9.81 to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by b to the power 2 by 3. After solving this, we will have b equals to 4.1 meter. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.